All right, guys, we are back at the shop. It's pretty late. Here we are up on the lift. Last night, I went ahead and etch primed everything that was bare metal. Did all that stuff. Seam sealed it right when I got here. Did there, just to kind of match this side. Obviously those. So that should flow pretty nicely. I smoothed it out. I'm not a big fan of like brushed look. The brush look is more factory, but the car is already not factory as is, so it is what it is. This is just epoxy primer. I'm not going to go crazy. I'm not going to slap a bunch of seam sealer on it. It's all covered anyway, so I'm not going to worry too much about that. The next step is to go ahead and start taping up the car, bagging the car, back taping all the holes, and then we can shoot some sealer, base coat, clear coat. Let's do it. Quick little trip to the dollar store. We got some Reynolds wrap. The shit was like $6-7. This is the good stuff though. If you get the cheaper stuff, it rips so easily. So make sure if you guys are doing something like this, get that Reynolds stuff. Alrighty guys, here we are. We got some sealer mixed up. We're about to start shooting this thing. I get it all pre-cleaned, all taped up, and let's just get it done. Got the shop heating up a little bit, covered up some of the more valuable stuff. All this stuff is going to get refinished, so I'm not too worried about that. All that stuff is going to get refinished and painted. Trans, don't really care. I got a massive mess right here. But this being a shop with not a lot of airflow, dust doesn't really move around like you would think. So this job should turn out pretty good, and at least we hope so. So I'm going to go ahead, knock out some sealer, and I'll pick up the camera when I start doing some base coat. Coat number 1. So far, so good. I'm gonna do one more coat, and then I'm gonna do a letdown. We're gonna let it flash off, and then we got clear. Stoked. All right, guys, so that is number 2.5. That's 2.5 coats, 2 wet coats, and then I did a drop coat on the last coat. So it's just so the metallic kind of lays out a little bit better. As you can see, it's still shiny, so it needs more time to flash off. We're gonna give this like 20-25 minutes, and then we can mix up some clear and slick it in. First coat. looking pretty good. Now for the second coat, I'm gonna slow down just a little bit, slick it in just a little bit more, let that clear flow in. And it's a little chilly. It's 55 in here, colder than I'd like to spray, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So hopefully we don't get any runs or any nasty dirt nibs, but it is what it is. And let's knock this thing out. We are finally done restoring the engine bay, doing the wheel wells. This takes some time, man, but at the end of it, it is so worth it. I am so stoked. Pretty tired, and we still have a lot of work left to do on the GTR. But that is going to conclude this video, this segment of the GTR rebuild. And stay tuned for the next one. We have some engine work. As you can see, that guy's in the bag right there. It's getting there. We still have quite a bit to do on that. We still have quite a bit to refinish on the shell itself. And I'm excited. I'm excited to put this thing back together. I'm excited to rip it. It's been too long, man. It's been far too long. So if you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys enjoyed the B-roll, if you guys enjoyed the work, go ahead, drop a like, subscribe, comment something, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.